Hello viewers, StitchMax is the latest Indian embroidery designing software. Today we will see an overview of StitchMax software. Basically, StitchMax software has three plans: Basic, Advanced and Ultimate. So how to purchase the plan, how to install the software, you will find all those videos on the YouTube channel. Now we start. From here we have to open the software first. Then you have to press OK. The plan we have opened is an Ultimate plan. The file format of StitchMax software is STX, with the help of StitchMax software. Multi-coding, chain, cross-stitch, multiple sequin, multiple beads hotfix, spangle, Shifley, borer, tufting, you can create different designs. So now we know about StitchMax embroidery designing software. Talking about stitching effects, it is very useful. Inside the StitchMax software, there are many stitching effects. Like sateen fill, tatami fill, zigzag fill, star fill, E-fill, line fill, central fill, cross stitch, motif fill, piping fill, program fill, stipple fill. There are many stitching effects have been given. All these fill are used for different stitching effects. Even inside the parameter, you will see many different stitching effects, which you can use to bring creativity in your design. You can use all these fills with three drawing tools. The first is the Bezier tool, second is dual Bezier and the third is dual side. Here are given some show hide tools that you can use to show hide the field inside the design, hide the needle point show hide the image. Here are some advanced tools that you can use to bring creativity to the design. And here are the tools for the sequins. Here are some color options. Machine tools are given. So in this way there are many tools and options given here. By using all these tools and options, you can prepare your design in faster, easier and professional quality. Here are some general settings. We'll click on the file. From here you can open the new page. You can create a design of Shifley, to save the design, to save as. After that, there are some options given here to take out the print for print preview, etc. Then in the edit you can see that some options are given: undo, redo, cut, copy. Then you can see it below. There is an align control, there is a space control and size control. Then some options are given on it to set the machine point. After that you can see in the view that options like grid line, grid parameters are given. There are color options so that you can change the background color. Then there is the option of color given here, so that you can do color setting at the time of routine. Then the toolbar is given here. All the options are given inside the toolbar. If you want to remove some toolbars, you can do it from here, then you can also reset the toolbar. After that, there is an option given here for Select By, where you can select objects like color, stitch type, alternative select, sequin size, stitch length, stitch space, etc. Then here you can see inside the object, many different options have been given. Here, within the tools, there are some options such as Edit Style, Edit Pattern. You can add any style, edit it, and there are options to change sequin grammar and change sequin to sequin. Here in the Draw section, you can see various types of objects are given, such as spiral, triangle. You can use these for different effects. After that, there is the Image section. In the Image option, you can insert any image, crop it, and lock or unlock it. After that, there is the Language option. With this, you can change the language in the software. For example, there are many options like Hindi, Gujarati, or Chinese. In the Key Command section, all shortcut keys are provided. For example, within the Drawing tool, you can see which shortcuts you can use. In the Selection section, various partitions are given, indicating which tools are available and their shortcuts. Here, there is an option for parameters where shortcuts for all parameters are provided. Additionally, there are other options such as zooming, show hide, start endpoint, and similar options whose shortcuts can also be seen here. Here you can see in the option of window, if you want to see multiple designs together, then you can see with the help of this option. After that, there is a help option here. You can check the update by going under it, click on About Stitch Max, you can check the update. From here you can see the print preview of the design, see which needle is in which way, and can print it out in 3D view. If you want to create a PDF, then you can do all this from here. Then you can see that there are many advanced features inside the Stitch Max software. There are many tools that you can use to bring creativity, make your design faster and easier. Software to create a design. If you need images of this type, then there are many options to set the image. As you can insert images and set images in advanced ways, Stitch Max is a game changer in the world of embroidery.